Yes, student, today we are going to learn angle formed by transversal on parallel lines. So let us take two parallel line. Parallel lines we know that are those lines which never intersect each other. So let us take the two parallel line. If we are going to produce it forward, they will never intersect. If it is produced backward, then also they will never intersect each other. Let there be a line which cross the two parallel line at different point. These are the two different points. This line will be called as transversal. This will be called as transversal. And these two are parallel line. So if you find there are many angles formed by this transversal. On the first parallel line, it has how many angles? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the next also 4 angles are there, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we have the 8 angles. So some pairs of angles I am identifying you. Number first. First we are going to take the numbers, take the angles which are marked by numbers on one side of transversal. We are taking the right hand side of the transversal. On the right hand side we have the numbers of the angles as 7, 8, 3 and 4. Now out of these 4, 2 numbers we are observing is above the parallel line. This is above and angle 8 is also above, and 2 numbers are below the line. 3 is below and 7 is below. So there is a relation between the angles above the line and angles below the line. What the relation is there? These angles are equal. The angle which are above are equal. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. The angle which are above the line are equal to each other. The angles which are below the line are equal to each other. The same way on the another side, means left hand side, we can observe angle 1 is above and angle 5 is above. So it means angle 1 is equal to angle 5 and angle 2 is below, angle 6 is below. So angle 2 is equal to angle 6. So if we find the pair on one side of the transversal and take the angle above the parallel line and below the parallel line, we find the angles are equal. Such type of pairs are called corresponding angle. What type of angles they are called? Corresponding angles. These angles are called corresponding angles. Now come to the next pair. Now let us take on both side of the transversal, and first we are taking inside the parallel line. If you observe inside the parallel line, we have on both side of transversal 4 angles, 2, 5, 8 and 3. These angles 2, 5, 8 and 3. So between these 4, 2 angles form a pair. If we take in cross 5 and 3, 2 and 8, we are taking the interior angles only, 5 and 3 and 2 and 8. Cross off, we are taking the angles crossing the transversal. 5 is equal to 3 and 8 is equal to 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Since they lie in the interior, so interior word will be there. But what type of interior? We are taking on both side of the transversal. So the word used for it is alternate interior angles. So what type of angles they are? Alternate interior angles. The same way we can find the alternate exterior. Exterior means out of the parallel line. Alternate exterior angle. Alternate means on the both side of transversal and interior, if we are using the word interior and exterior, means interior of parallel line and exterior of parallel line. So for exterior we will come out of the parallel line. So outside the parallel line we have the angle 1 and 4 and 6 and 7. So if we take in cross, 6 and 4 both are equal, 1 and 7 both are equal. So here in pair alternate exterior angle we have angle 4 equal to angle 6 and angle 1 equal to angle 7. This pair is called alternate exterior angle. Now again come to the interior angle, but only on one side of transversal. If we move to the one side of transversal and take only the interior angle, we have two angles, 3 and 8. These are the two angles. So there is a relation between these two. Till now what we are observing, all angles are equal to each other, but here the angles will not be equal. The relation between them is that their sum is equal to 183. Their sum is equal to 180 degree. So we have angle 3 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree. On the next left hand side we have angle 2 plus angle 5. Angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. This pair is called consecutive interior angles. In short, it is called as co-interior angle, but it has the full name, that is consecutive interior angle. Always in consecutive interior angle, the pair has the sum equal to 180 degree. So these are the four type of angles: corresponding angle, alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle, consecutive interior angle, which are formed by transversal on parallel line. Beside these four angles, we can also observe the linear pair. If we consider only one line from the parallel and the transversal, we have angle 2 equal to angle 4, vertically opposite angle 1 is equal to angle 3, and in the next angle 8 equal to angle 6, angle 5 is equal to angle 7. Separately if we are going to consider them, we get the vertically opposite angle and the linear pair also we can observe. 1 plus 4 equal to 180 degree because both of them lie on the straight line. 1 and 2, this is also a straight line. 1 and 2 has the sum equal to 180 degree. Below this line 2 and 3 has the sum equal to 180 degree, and 3 plus 4 equal to 180 degree. So we can also identify the linear pair of angles if we take the separate lines. Thank you.